1.
Hello guys, my colleagues Roxanne, Alan and me we will present a very healthy Christmas dessert.
Hi, the holiday are the best excuse to live with loved ones and also taste delicious food prepared at home. The end always is the dessert dish, and this is always very sweet. On this occasion, we are preparing healthy and rich dessert for the Christmas.
Ingredients. We need 1 apple, 1 carrot, melon, kiwi, grapes, and strawberries. It might take another fruit. The problem is the base no supports no fruit. Okay. Okay. Take the apple and the knife. Okay. Cut the apple in cup. In this form. Okay, make a hole in the opposite area so that the carrot between. Make use to that hole, and these two not too large, or else be big rocket carrot, and also eat the result. Okay. With topics in this part for the carrot. The four is the tree, okay? The fruits, the big fruits is down of the tree. And the small fruit of the tree.
We reached the conclusion. It is important to eat healthy holiday season, and what better fun receive than have more fruit and vegetables than meat and fat. Thank you for attention.